would even say it.
Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to the channel. If you're new, hey, I'm Shakay. This is Taylor. Hi Taylor. If you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you're notified whenever I make a video. Ding 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 ding. Yes, ding 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 ding. So it is. I don't know kind of what day Vlogmas it is. What is a Vlogmas day? It's Sunday. Yes, sure. Oh yes. Vlogmas day 4. The thing is, my Vlogmas me now vlog every day. I upload videos. So the video was supposed to go up today. Already filmed from Friday and Saturday. So yeah. This face the one where I tell me if tapping as number right is call out my video. So I'm gonna be doing her makeup right now.
Yes, they can see me. Turn on the light, Taylor. They can't really see me.
So yeah. Hey. Me do makeup.
All the kissable lips.
Okay, then never mind. Alright guys, so we're outside. We're taking pictures for the birthday girl, which is tomorrow. It's not today. So this is going to this is going to be miss. That just looks lean. Anyway, this is going to be a part of her birthday vlog.
No, it's not. Oh,
Mine.
Oh.
Yeah, so this is going to be a part of her birthday vlog. So
Meanwhile, mine will be posted on time. Anyway, check out the dress. You can check it out on Shein. Oh, let's take one picture and put it on Shein. Yeah. You don't take.
And this is Taylor. She's the videographer for my sister today.
One picture. Let me show Shein.
Miss, we have enough. Yes. So that wraps up the photo shoot.
The next day.
Like God, funny birthday to you. Go on, lift my birthday. So guys, it is my sister's birthday and light gone. So yeah, light gone. And I can imagine on the girl birthday. Oh gosh,
It's my
happy
birthday.
I'ma do wait for the singing people. Well, on 1 second. 1 second. You're trying to get the floor together. One singer's birthday song, good girl. You know, party. So we're going floor. Excuse your hand, girl. Cause flower went off it quad. Just off it. Whether like they or not. Enough, Leo. Happy birthday.
Payback, huh?
To you.
Put your hand in the powder.
Alright guys, we're trying to make breakfast. We're gonna make some scrambled eggs and then some peanut butter and jelly. Oh, I don't know if I did the peanut butter. We're doing jelly sandwich. So yeah. Alright, so yes, we're gonna have that for very much spoiled. Alright, we're gonna do that. Oh, I need to. Let see how my sister teeth put their radio. The teeth moving their radio to their room.
What? They were sleepy. They don't need it. They're sleepy. They don't even hear that the radio gone.
Just waiting for life.
Yeah.
Okay.
No.
Breakfast time.
Good morning. 5. Loving it already. Yeah, I'm loving it. I'm not going to let GPS let them spoil my day. It's very awesome. I was flowered this morning. I'll insert the video right after this. Did you see the audacity? Like, why should do that? But anyway, it's my sister here. She gave me breakfast. Good morning and thank you. Can I get fruits?
I will cut that. You can't cut it.
Fine. I'll just wait until later to be spoiled by my mother.
You can't go room.
Anyway, breakfast time.
It's just nice. You can ring like. You're holding for the wrong angle.
Your ring light couldn't work on in that? Why? You don't need battery?
No, you have to plug in the battery as well.
I made a mess. Oh my god.
So guys, we're having peanut butter jelly with some scrambled eggs.
Just remember, share with me.
And nothing so I like about people, our parents radio. We just got to leave. Have the light on it. Because it's like on
Mommy
radio.
and Daddy watch your vlog. Jesus.
Because I like the radio, you can charge it and it have a light on it. So it will use. I'm ready to eat. Oh. Soon later. Okay.
My peanut butter. My something
Hey, jelly.
I
don't want to keep it one place. Alright guys, she is ready to go. Have a good day.
Thank you. Bye.
Good morning, mommy.
Seriously, you feel me on my birthday. Not easy.
Bye.
She shanty. Oh
Bud.
my God, how does she play your daughters to be taller? Good up. Are you shanty? Your daughters to be taller than you, huh?
What's he?
Doing great. Time with the baby.
Yes, you beat the baby.
You're the spoiled brat.
I guess I'm ready for work. This is what I'm wearing. I have on this pink blouse, and I got this big skirt. Yeah. And I have on my nude shoes, as usual. So yes, I'm gonna head to work soon. By the way, I got new hairstyle. My sister cut my hair, so yeah. So yes, I'm gonna head to work soon. Yeah. Hopefully there is electricity at school, so I can upload my video quick and fast. And all of that. So guys, I'm just gonna put down her gifts on her bed. So when she gets home, she and I are stacking something. When she gets home, she'll see them. Oh, by the way, if you didn't see it, yeah, this is what I got her. And the sweater and also her cake, which is in the freezer. So yeah, when she gets home, she'll see her gift. So we're home finally, and we got mommy cooking up a storm for her daughter, her little anniversary gift. Her anniversary gift. Did you enjoy your anniversary gift?
Remember to put her.
Oh gosh,
No, I couldn't.
But then I'm saying about have no Wi-Fi.
Honey, no cost.
We'll miss it tomorrow. I'm not saying nothing yet. You don't know, Sam, spill. I'm lactose.
There's no pill for it. Maybe get one. I like a pumpkin.
So we find a stray.
Hello.
We might have to adopt the stray.
I've been wanting something giving nothing. Oh, I've been wanting something from you. You've been giving nothing. Oh. Something from you. You've been giving nothing. Oh, I've been wanting something from you. You've been giving nothing. Oh.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. See you next time. Bye.